Welcome to Speaking Practice. Test your skills and confidence with our questions. You will have 60 seconds to answer each question. For every correct response, you will earn stars and build your score. Are you ready? Let's get started. Our topic today is about artificial intelligence. Do you agree or disagree that artificial intelligence is ultimately going to replace human beings? To start things off, do you believe artificial intelligence will eventually take over most human jobs? Oh, that's great. What specific skills do humans have that artificial intelligence cannot replicate? That is a brilliant way of looking at it. So, how do you feel about using artificial intelligence in creative fields like art and music? Great job. I really like that answer. Will artificial intelligence improve our quality of life or make it worse in the future? Wow, that is a very interesting perspective. Moving on, should there be strict laws to limit the development of artificial intelligence? Practice your English with a private teacher. Get your free lesson today. Enjoy a one-on-one private lesson, no groups, just you and your teacher. Receive immediate correction of your mistakes and improve faster. Choose your teacher. With Colette, you'll learn through fun and engaging lessons. With Johannes, you'll build your speaking confidence and communicate more naturally. With Shirley, you'll improve your fluency and pronunciation. Don't wait. Simply scan the QR code to book your free lesson or visit theroyalvisions.com. Excellent point. Have you personally used an artificial intelligence tool, and what was your experience? You explained that so clearly. Well done. How can schools prepare students for a future where artificial intelligence is everywhere? That makes perfect sense. So, what is the biggest danger of relying too much on artificial intelligence? I love that answer. Do you think artificial intelligence will ever develop real human emotions or consciousness? Fantastic job on that one. And finally, which industry do you think will be most affected by artificial intelligence in the next 10 years? Congratulations! Your speaking practice was a success. How did you feel during this speaking practice? Were you nervous or were you confident and excited? Tell us in the comments how you experienced today's session. If you enjoyed this activity, please send us your results or leave a like to support the channel. Would you like to know how well you performed? Would you like to receive personalised feedback on your speaking? If yes, you can book a free lesson with one of our tutors today. Simply scan the QR code on the screen or visit us at theroyalvisions.com. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel so we can continue creating more speaking practice sessions like this for you.